Alright, dog, check it out. This is your door panel, right? So, here's your net right here. This thing is two pieces like I suspected, but they basically have plastic welded the two pieces together from the back, right? So this is fixable because this was, remember how on my Mercedes, the door handle, you couldn't just buy like the door handle, you had to replace the whole door panel, and it was like 600 something fucking dollars. So the fix for that was identical to what the fix for this is gonna be, which is basically just drill this out a little bit till it pops off, and then you'll put a screw in each one with a little washer on the back so it doesn't pull through. But you'll just put a bunch of tiny little screws in all of these to hold it in from here on out. So actually a pretty simple fix, and we can make a video for it. And as far as the elastic band is concerned, right here, this is how stretched it has become. We can go to Joann and get one that matches this and just replace it. We can reuse these ends. All we gotta do is open it up and then crimp it on the new one. But same with the netting. We can either buy new netting at Joann, or we can just reuse this by pulling it out, because there's these, if you look down in here, there's these little guys that hold it in place. So all we gotta do is pull it out and then put them in this guy. Boom. So that is, we're just pulling everything kind of tight from the back. If you want to do it right, you gotta cut all these little heads off and then pull this little plastic doohigger out, and then put all the shit through the little spots again, and then plastic weld that back down, which if we had a plastic welder, honestly wouldn't even take that long. But yeah, and then this is this after it's been drilled out. So as you can see, it's like no damage to it. You got these little guys, which are going to be good to use to plastic weld back. And then these are all in pretty good goddamn condition to plastic weld too now. Boom, boom, boom. That one's a little gone, but I'm pretty sure there was one right above it anyways. Yeah, that one's there. You got that one, that one, that one, that one. Yeah, that's just pulled tight, not like done the right way even. Okay, this is it laying over the top, and where those little holes are, that's where these little things, they go up here and hold it in, right? And down here, and then over here. But it's that much bigger. So we could just loop it in right there, cut the rest off, burn the end so it doesn't fray, and call it good. But we just gotta like plastic weld these little nips back in. Yeah, look at that. All back together. Boing. All back together. Yeah. Nice and tight, but still loose enough you can get something in there if you need.